how to transfer your Instagram account from one phone to another phone. So it's quite easy and simple to transfer your Instagram account from one phone to another phone. So in today's video, I'll show you some of the quick ways. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that at the end of the video, you will get an idea to transfer your Instagram account from one phone to another. So first thing first, you have to open Instagram application and make sure to sign in on your Instagram account. Once done, tap on the bottom right corner profile icon, and once you reach on this page, tap on three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now you have to scroll all the way down on the settings and activity page, and at the bottom you will see logout button. Simply you can tap on logout button and log out this existing account on your primary phone, and make sure that you know all the credentials of this account. If you don't know, then you can easily go to your profile and check it. So once you know it, you can tap on the log out button and you can log out it. So once you log out, you can easily log in the same account in your another phone, that is your secondary phone, with all your credential, and that is how you can easily transfer your Instagram account from one phone to another. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.